Hi friends! Today, we're going to draw a cute umbrella. Are you ready? Let's go! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker. Start by drawing a big half circle. This will be the top part of our umbrella.
La da 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 dee.
Now, under the half circle, draw some small curved lines connecting the bottom of the umbrella. These are the folds of the umbrella. Draw the handle. It's one straight line coming down from the middle of the umbrella, and at the end, add a hook. Great! Our drawing is complete. Now let's go over the outline again with a bold black marker to make it pop. Time to color now. It's time to color. Red color. Yellow color. Orange color. Green color. Pink color. Blue color. Purple color. Now get your black marker and decorate the umbrella with dots. Wow! Look at our colorful umbrella. You did an awesome job. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.